We've partnered with Nift to help you capture new contacts and retain existing ones with free $30 gift cards sent by Nift on your behalf when someone subscribes to your list. In this short video, we'll show you how it all works. From your homepage, click Integrations. Look for the Nift tile, and then click Connect. If you don't have a Nift account, we'll automatically create one for you. If you already have a Nift account, you'll be prompted to log in, or you'll see a pop-up that confirms you're connected. From there, you'll have the option to create a lead generation landing page where you can add a Nift gift card, or click Not Now to create one later. Capture new contacts and retain existing ones with Nift and Constant Contact.